Hello YouTube, Tristan Taylor here. Today I'm going to be upgrading my MediaTek PC with another 500 gig hard drive, which requires these Molex to SATA connectors and 4 gigs of RAM. Because these are two gigabyte sticks, and there's two 1 gigabyte sticks in there, so I'm going to replace those. So yeah, let me just get a screwdriver. Where is it? Where'd I put it? Bloody hell. There it is. Actually, first I should probably get it out of there first. Ow. Just kicked something. Right. Breaking into... Thank God. Thank goodness I did not break an antenna. Right, well, get that on the ground there. I put the screwdriver again. Bloody hell. There it is. Get the hard drive too, 500 gigabyte Western Digital green power. Yeah. Also added a wireless charging coil to this phone. It's just literally plugs right into the USB-C port, so yeah. And I can just disconnect whatever I want. It's literally just a little pad you stick to the back of the phone, which is pretty cool. This around so I can face the back. Okay. I'll take out this screw. That one's out. I'll put it here. I already have another SATA cable ready. This one's quite long, actually. Computer whiz. I should probably put one of those stickers on there. In the case, anyways. Okay. That's off. Now I just need to snake these connectors back inside of the PC case. Okay, that's that. Now, take off the case there. And now, and now. So SATA cable. And this is just enough room for one more SATA cable. It goes in that way. Just like that. Okay, good. Let me scoot that out the way there. Okay, I don't know where the hell my tripod for my phone is, which is pretty weird. So yeah. Use one of these. These are Molex, but they have a SATA on the end. That's weird. What are they? Wait, what? I'm slightly the confusion. This is a SATA drive. It has two Molex connectors on the end of it, which is kind of weird. Okay. And let me grab a couple more Molex connectors. That's that there. There we go. These just right here. That's pretty long there. So what I'll do is well, it has a floppy drive connector on the back. That's cool. What I'll do, look at my phone cam and the way the sun shines on it. I thought that was a lamp. That's from the washing cars. Anyways, first I should probably get the RAM out of the way first here. So I'll do unclip. On the torch, and then get that out of the way. Unclip. This is Kingston, 1 gigabyte. Now open up this bag here and let me get a knife. A knife. Where's my knife? There's my knife. Ow! I just fucking banged my elbow on that corner there. Eesh. That. Right. Do this one-handed, just hold it between my legs like that. Link on the screen. I'm on a broken solar panel. In the trash, and I made it in the trash too. What a way. What a thing. I don't know what you would say. I don't know. This is a two-handed job. Okay, that's open. Lifetime warranty, eh? This is from Computer Bay. So, DDR2, because that's what this computer takes. Let me just stand by. Alright, we have our 4 gigabyte, or 2 gigabyte times 2 sticks. So that went in, let's see here, so they're in the blue slot. So, line this up here. Oh my god, my hand is contorting. Lord. Is that the correct way around? I think so. Should be. Seems like it. Maybe not. Let's see. I had it the right way around before, I think. Let me just try again. Yeah, no, that other way was the right way around. The problem is this whole thing is riveted on there. This is riveted, literally. There's a bunch of rivets on it, so I can't. Yeah. Okay. Get in your home. Get in your home. This is where you live now. Go home. This is your new home, man. That's one clip. Don't want to stick my hand in that hole there. I'll slice my hand open. And there's glue on it. That's why it won't go in. There we go. Okay, 2 gigabytes. Now I gotta remove the old 1 gig stick. The second 1 gig stick. Yeah, these have hot glue in there. They really did not want you to get into there. Just like that. You can see the hot glue blob on there, right there. This is also Kingston RAM. Hot glue everywhere. There's stringy hot glue. Just try and do it like this. Probably flipping the camera upside down and everything, but should just auto-rotate it. I don't know. Oops, maybe the long way again. See, it's tightly packed because it's like somewhat desktop form factor. But at the same time, it's a bit fatter. If that makes any sense. This has a 64-bit CPU, but it's only running a 32-bit version of XP. And I could if I wanted to, but I just don't know where all the drivers are for everything, so I'll probably just leave it as is with the operating system and maybe see if I can do some stuff with drivers, I don't know, something. Not going in again? Oh wait, no. It's in the wrong way again. That should be, there it goes. Clip. And the next clip, there we go. Okay, that is 4 gigs of DDR2. Now we'll go back to this here. Molex, there we go. Resealable bag of Molex connectors, nice. This can go with my box of computer, my drawer computer stuff in that closet there. Now it's open. Okay. One Molex to SATA connector. Let's cut that open, stand by. Okay. That is out now. This will be going to my DVD RAM drive, as it was what Windows XP lists it as. Get that the right way around. I'm not a good cameraman when it comes to stuff like this. I'm not looking at the camera, I'm looking at what I'm doing. Need to like set up a tripod with this. That's the right way. That is the way. Do you know the way? Wait a second. Wait, yeah, okay. That's the right way. This is some sort of smaller variation of the Molex connector. Standby. Okay, it's in now, so that's good. This is also the SATA cable for the DVD drive. This is now going to be the SATA cable power for the 500 gig drive. I just don't know where I'm going to put it because I used up all this stuff. This 1 terabyte drive is about probably about as thick or a little bit thicker than this. Yeah. I know, I could just put it on. No. Probably put it in here. That might be easier. I don't know. We'll see. That is also going to be touching that stuff there, but that stuff not getting power, so we shall see. This also has just the standard ATX power supply, because I saw that it has the that 6-pin connector there, as well as 4-pin connector, and just goes right into there. Ooh, zip tie that is broken. Oh, I know what that was for. That was probably for these cables. Yes. Indeed it was. Okay, so we'll route that up into there. And we'll see which way around that goes. Like that, because we want to have this side up, so that way it doesn't short out against anything. Just as a precaution, I mean, yeah, I could put tape on it, but where's the fun in that? Okay, that's there. Now we'll run that up into there. And plug that in. Of course it's reversed because the drive's upside down. What did I tell you? Didn't I tell you? Get that in there. There it goes. So we now have 2 terabytes of storage, 500 gigs. Primary boot drive is 500 gigs, and 1 terabyte drive down there. Nice. Now I just need to feed these cables. That's long enough, yeah. And it'll stick out plenty for the SATA DVD RAM drive. So I'll need to cut the recording here for that, because you don't want to see me cursing and getting frustrated at sheet metal. Alright, so it's all back together. Straighten out these Wi-Fi antennas. Yeah. This is DVD drive SATA and DVD drive SATA power. So let me get this thing back into there, and we'll be right back. Alright, so it's the next day. I had to delete some of the footage because I caught one of my debit cards in there, one of my prepaid cards. So I'm redoing this part all over again. But so I can go to my computer properties, and there we have it. 3.49 gigs of RAM. If I go in the BIOS, it says like 2048 in the different memory banks. Yeah, this cold weather's fucking with my asthma and whatnot. Anyways, it runs way faster, especially the browser. I can easily just, as soon as I launch the browser, just open 2 tabs is fine. 3 tabs, because I did that middle button click on the tabs. But it loads it pretty fast. And of course you have the 500 gigs of storage that I added in right there. TV and vids drive D that's shared over the network, so I can save videos from my Google Drive and whatnot. Save space in there and save them to why did this reset my thing to DuckDuckGo? Google. But yeah. Content. Come on. Yeah. Let me just change a couple of settings here. Advanced. Where? Let me see something here. Yeah, I always want Google. Fuck DuckDuckGo. It's just shut. Okay, reset to Google. Okay, just make it yeah. So I'm editing the video right now. I was trying to edit it yesterday, but then I realized I had one of my prepaid debit cards, so I can order stuff online, like on the table there, a little tray thing here. And yeah, do my Bitcoin faucets just fine. Bitcoin faucets. I won 38 coins. Except not Bitcoins, they're like, I think it's Satoshi, I can't remember. 3 Satoshi on this one, okay. With this one you can withdraw at 30,000, I think it was, yeah, 30,000 Satoshi. Oops. But on this one it's 50,000 coins. I have 37,575 coins, which is roughly $3.75. $7,575, which makes no sense. And there it is right there. There's the count there. So 8,965 Satoshi. Okay. So yeah. Anyway, so that's that. That's it for that. I also have my security cameras set up to this, so I can easily just, so I don't take up space on that. There's only like 200 something gigs of storage, and there's only 50 gigs of it, 50 something available. But what I can do is I can see video, and then I have my car backup camera just set up as a security camera. And there's my dog, one of my dogs coming out the kitchen door at my house, the doggy door there. But yeah, so that's that. I want to thank you guys for watching. Actually, wait, let's go to CPU-Z for real quick, see what that says. It should say, if it even loads. It was about to end the video, but memory 4 DDR2 right there. So this is DDR2 dual channel, DRAM frequency 400 megahertz. So yeah. Check for driver updates. Now it's gonna open my browser and take me to some sketchy site. So anyways, yeah, I want to thank you guys for watching. Peace out.